Top 7 handy gadgets that are worth buying. Get that jaw-dropping attention when you pass by with your savvy handy gadgets. In this video, we will be showing the top 7 handy gadgets that are worth buying. Enjoy the moment of being admired as you caught people's attention as you flashes your trendy handy gadgets. Let them drop their jaws and salivate with enviousness. Before we go any further, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel Technify and smash that like button for more quality videos you can't certainly get from others. Experience the awesomeness of these gadgets as Technify channel gives you only the latest informative details, and here is the top 7 handy gadgets that are worth buying. Number 7. Magnetic Tool Wristband. Fond of tinkering and having a DIY projects? Tinkering and DIY stuff is fun, for it stimulates our brain to creatively make something extraordinary from different pieces. It gives also a sense of satisfaction, as you are able to fix those appliances, gadgets, and other things in the house that need to be repaired. It may sound cool to do those creative activity, but it may turn to a disastrous experience if you waste a lot of time looking for small items such as the nails, screws, drill bits, and other small pieces that are needed for tinkering and DIY. Let your tinkering be with a savvy style through MagnoGrip Magnetic Wristband. It makes you look tough and gives the impression that you have the technical know-how of what you are doing. MagnoGrip holds those small things such as nails, drill bits, screws, and other tools that you need in your wrist. It is just like having a personal assistant that helps you hold these little tools. With Magnetic Wristband, you can focus with what you are doing and not be distracted with the missing tools. It is so cool that you can just have it attached on your wrist, and everything that you need for tinkering will be securely hold on the magnetic wristband. It is so accessible and handy that you will not waste time for reaching on those tiny pieces of tools. All you need to do is to attach it on the magnetic wristband, and you can pull it out when you need it. It will be tinkering and doing DIY in a fashionable and neat way without the stress and mess of the scattered tools. Number 6. Pet Carrier Backpack. Let your fur friend travel with fashion and style. Do not let them be stressed with the tightly compartment box. With Lolly Meow Pet Carrier Backpack, your fur friend will be oozing with class and sophistication as it enjoys traveling with you. The backpack is airline approved, so there are no worries of breaking airline rules. The Pet Carrier Backpack looks like a space shuttle with breathable holes. It makes traveling to be fun and adventurous, for it has a small viewing window for your fur friend to see the scenic views. Lolly Meow is a brand that already earns a mark of excellence for using high-quality, waterproof materials and transparency shells. With the security leash, which is latch, hook, and double zippers, ensures the safety of the cat and prevent it from jumping out from the carrier. It has also a small compartment to hold the pet food for snacking along the way. Both of you will be munching food while enjoying the travel. You can buckle the backpack on your back or on your front. Either way, it will still give the same convenience to both you and your fur friend. It will not be burdensome to carry, for it is lightweight. Number 5. Vlog Camera. Vlogging had taken the world in a frenzied momentum. Youngsters or not so young have produced quality blogs that made the netizens glued on their mobile gadgets as they watch their favorite vloggers. Who will not be amazed of these vloggers that gives us insightful videos and sometimes a glimpse of their lifestyle? Vlogger enthusiasts or a wannabe vlogger are oftentimes being seen using their mobile phones to record their blogs. It is now the time to jump to much trendier way of vlogging, and that is through Sony ZV-1 vlogging compact camera. Take your vlogging to new heights as this compact camera has flip-around screen that can give you the best capture of your selfies. It has 20 megapixel sensor and real-time autofocus that gives graphic clarity and focus on your face or any object that you wanted to put into focus. It has a feature of setting transition focus from your face to the product or object. Netizens are hooked by the vloggers not only by their voice and content material, but precisely because of their look. Sony compact camera puts face into its priority by keeping the face bright and backlit or dim condition. It will give the vlogger that edge of having a perfect looking skin. Number 4. Flashlight Gloves. Amazed by Spider-Man hands power emitting webs? Get the same power and coolness, but you will not be emitting webs but light. This futuristic tactical LED gloves gives you that edge of having a flashlight in your hand without the hassle of holding one. It has LED lights on the pointer and thumb finger which illuminate bright light with a wide range of coverage. The gloves is ergonomic, and with its Velcro strap, it would fit any sizes of hand, and since it is fingerless, you will just slip your hands on the gloves. This tactical flashlight gloves will be convenient especially during nighttime or in dark area where there is a need for you to make some repairs. It is perfect for both of your hands can be used since there is no need for you to hold a flashlight. You can repair your car, computer, any task that needs ample lighting. It will look good and hype when you are going out in the dark with your friends for fishing, especially that fishes are attracted to light. It may be used as bait to catch those fishes. In camping or having a good time at the bar, these gloves will come in handy, especially if you need light to look for something or someone in the dark. If you lost your key inside the dark bar, you can opt to use these gloves to locate the keys or anything that you have lost on the floor. Indeed, these tactical LED gloves will give you the power in the dark. Number 3. Rechargeable hand warmers. The feeling of coldness can be felt not only by our hearts but also by our hands. The sensation of coldness is real and can give a different sensation to the entire body. Sometimes it will be a hindrance for us to enjoy the outdoor life, such as watching football game, hunting, golf, and camping out, for we always felt the coldness in our hands. It is now the time to step out and put an end to such coldness by wearing the OCOOPA hand warmers rechargeable gloves. It soothes your hands as it provides warmth and comfort. With the gloves on, you will stay toasty and comfy. While enjoying the outdoor activities and suddenly your mobile phone's battery runs low, you can always make use of the warmer's power with the use of USB cord. Remember, the warmer is also a power bank. Surely the warmer can also multitask as it complements your active lifestyle. It will provide you both the comfort and the stress-free lifestyle, for you will not be worrying of having a drained battery while enjoying the outdoor activities. Number 2. Smart Mask Treatment. Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. That is a quote from Coco Chanel. It is the love for oneself that drives us to take care of our bodies and make sure that we can achieve a better version of ourselves. However, the startling reality is that we are subconsciously controlled by the ticking of the time, and spending hours at the salon will already mean loss of productivity and may even result of some backlogs in our work. Indeed, it is difficult to balance career and maintaining the radiance of being beautiful. But having a radiant skin with a youthful glow will no longer be a dream for women, men, and members of LGBTQ who are on the go with the use of Foreo UFO 2. This palm-sized beauty tech is considered as the latest trend in the beauty world. Be amazed of the miraculous spa in a span of 90 seconds. You need not be a salon expert to enjoy the 90 seconds beauty spa. All you need to do is scan a barcode on a bespoke face mask. It will then connect it to UFO 2 and gently glides on your face. You will feel the same salon spa treatment of some vibration and warming on your face, for it prepares your skin on the mask ingredients that will be infused on the face. You will be relaxed as you enjoy the music that is being played by the app while it makes a deep cleanses on facial skin. It has powerful mask ingredients and a cryotherapy that is known for firming skin. Number 1. Smartwatch Golf Connected. Get the Tiger Woods classy moves as you enjoy the swift 9 holes with your trendy Tag Heuer wristwatch. The watch may be a show-off of your classy side, but it has also functionalities that suits your personality as a golfer. The luxury wristwatch has a functionality of an intelligent golfer. It is connected with the app that gives you a 2D and 3D image of the golf course. It will give you a visible information about the hazards and distance of the course, provides feedback as to the accurate short distances and the dial round. Experience the ultimate golfing with the intelligence of the wristwatch that will give you a vantage point as to the appropriate moves to swing that ball to the hole. The Tag Heuer watch has a minimalist design of circular shaped without any odd display, and it is scratch-free resistant. With the embellishment of sapphire crystal, it gives a high resolution on that OLED touchscreen, as it protects it from being playing Scratch. This is the sport that can be played even during this time of pandemic COVID-19, for surely gamers are into observing a wide range of social distancing, and the time to swift the air with the impressive Tag Heuer wristwatch. Alright, how are you finding these top 7 handy gadgets that are worth buying? Tell us in the comment section down below. We would like to know more from you. If you're a true gadgets enthusiast, stay tuned as the next video is starting.
Yeah.